All right, who do we have here?
Darcy.
Bryce.
What are you guys doing today?
Celebrating his 18th birthday.
Happy birthday. Celebrating by jumping out of a perfectly good airplane.
Kick him out of the nest, see if he can fly.
Exactly. He's gonna jump into life, but can't help it. Has to happen.
Heck yeah.
I'm scared.
10,000 feet, throw you out, get you down on a parachute. You ready for it?
Absolutely.
No.
Scared, nervous, excited?
Yes.
If we weren't scared, we'd be scared.
Okay.
Let's go have some fun. High fives.
Absolutely.
High five.
Right.
High five. Here we go. Oh yeah.
Woo. All right.
Oh yeah. Found the airplane, you ready to get in. Get up, get out, go have some fun in the sky.
Yes.
Let's go rock the skydive, guys. Here we go. Here we go. One more time. Oh yeah. Absolutely, this is great. Pull the right one down. Look at the camera. Smile. Yeah. Hands up. Want to turn again? Pull the left one hard. All the way down, all the way around. Woo. Yeah. Want to do another one? Either direction. Whatever you want. We made it back. What do you think?
That was great.
Yeah, you have fun?
Absolutely.
You're gonna do that again someday?
Definitely.
Next time I'll let you open the parachute, you just gotta find the golf ball and pull it out.
Okay.
What was your favorite part?
Jumping, obviously.
That flip out?
Oh yeah.
You did great, man.
Great.
Skydive Colorado Springs. Woo!